evaluate sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. So what we have to do is we just have to substitute the values and be done with it. So my request is pause the video, take a list of the values, substitute, and you guys itself solve it. It's not too difficult. So please solve for both. So we're looking at sine 60 to be root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is nothing but 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. And the LCM is 4, so 4 by 4 is 1. Very simple. The next question is, again, 2 into tan 45 the whole square. See, here I'm rewriting the question. Here I didn't. It was too much simpler. But here I have to rewrite cos 30 the whole square minus sine 60 the whole square. So we have 2 times of tan 45 is 1. 1 square is 1 itself plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sine 60 is root 3 by 2 the whole square. And then we have this and this. They are same. We need not calculate anything. So the entire answer is 2. So you can pause and have a look at the answer. Not too difficult, right? Next question is substitution way. It's simple, but solving it is a bit complicated. So let me show why and how. So you guys can do the first few steps, and when you kind of get bored, you can unpause the video. So first we'll discuss the values of this particular trigonometric ratios. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Not too difficult. I have not taught you guys sec 30, but I told you a trick. Sec of an angle is equal to 1 by cos of that angle. So this is basically again root 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by root 3. It will be inverse of cos of 30. As simple as that. So you need not memorize the other trigonometric ratios separately because they're just inverse of the first 3. So this is sine 30 and this is 1 by 2. That is 2 by 1. As simple as that. Now, when we substitute that in the question, on substituting, we have numerator 1 by root 2 getting divided with denominator 2 by root 3 plus 2 by 1. So what can we do over here? We can rationalize and do things. If not, it's left to you guys. So let me rationalize this off. Root 3 by root 3 because it's much easier to handle, and root 2 by root 2. Right? I'm just rationalizing. If you guys are confused, let me do it. Now, rationalizing the terms. Because it has to do with addition and subtraction and things and division and all. So let's just rationalize. It makes the job much easier. So 1 by root 2, I'll rationalize it by multiplying divide with root 2. Close the brackets. And denominator 1 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3 plus 2 by 1. So we have root 2 by 2 divided by 2 root 3 by 3 plus 2 by 1. So this is root of 2 by 2 divided by, here the LCM is 3, so 6 by 1. So 2 root 3 by 6 by 3, right? And let us root 2 by 2 into, let's flip this, 3 by 2 root 3 plus 6. Okay. We need to further rationalize this as well because this denominator is not rationalized. We need to rationalize that. So for that, let us make a separate work. 3 by 2 root 3 plus 6. To rationalize this, we can take 2 out actually. It'll make the job easier. So we can rewrite this as 3 divided by 2 times of root 3 plus 3. So I'll multiply and divide with root 3 minus 3 divided by root 3 minus 3, or I can do the other way around. 3 minus root 3 divided by 3 minus root 3. This will make the job a bit easier. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 times of a plus b into a minus b is 9 minus root of 3 the whole square. So this is nothing but 9 minus 3 root 3 by 2 times of 9 minus 3 is 6, right? So in the numerator you have 3 common. Actually I need not multiply that. So 3 minus root 3 by 6 into 2, 12. So 4. So basically this will be 3 minus root 3 by 4. Okay. So if I substitute that over here, root 2 by 2 into 3 minus root 3 by 4. Okay. Your final answer. I don't have space, so I'm writing over here so that the entire answer is visible. 3 root 2. I'm using distributive property and multiplying with both the terms. Minus root of 6 divided by 8. Okay. So yeah, the working was a bit complicated. There are many ways of doing it. I thought this will be shorter, but again, it happened to be lengthy itself. So yes, it's just a, see, trigonometry part is only this much, right? After that, it's just substitution, basic maths, and solving it, which is your 9th and 8th grade or 7th grade syllabus. Is it not? Okay, so anyways, you can pause and have a look at the answer.